Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install Inkscape 0.92.2 in Deepin 15.4.1. If you just install it through the software center, you will get Deepin Inkscape 0.92.1, and this method, which I will show you will install the latest version on Deepin. So first of all, we have to open up the terminal. I'm gonna press Ctrl Alt and T together, and move the terminal to the left. Now I'm gonna copy the first command, which will open the list of my sources, as we have to, for the installation, add the source, but afterwards we will remove the source again. Type in your password, press enter, and now you take this line here. You will find it all in the description of this video. Copy and paste in this document. Like this. And then you click save. Do not close this document. So now we're going to click on this button here and say new window. And I'm going to minimize the old terminal also for later. Now I'm going to run the next command in this new terminal. I'm going to update that we can have our new line of source also in our computer, into our system. Type a password. You will see you will have a lot of updates. Ignore it, because we just want to install the latest version of Inkscape. So now we say copy. As you can see, it's still updating the system. Slowly but surely. Yeah, as you can see, it's nearly finished. It's already at 92%, 93%. There we go. So now it will say we have a lot of updates, but that's okay. This command will remove the current version of Inkscape. We click paste, and as you can see, it will remove all these packages. We say yes. With pressing enter, it takes the command of the capital letter option, which is yes. Now we're gonna copy the next command. This will install the latest version of Inkscape. It takes a while, the previous time also, when I tried it before. Paste, press enter. As you can see, it's going to download about 20 megabytes of data. And then after this, we will remove this command, this line again, which we added at the very beginning. So I'm gonna move it here. As you can see, it's busy working. Wonderful. So now we're just gonna close this terminal. We're gonna remove this line. We're gonna remove it totally, so we just keep the ones that was there at the very beginning. Save this document. Close this document. We can close this one also with all the commands. And then we're gonna go back here. As you can see, it's finished because we closed the document, and now we're just gonna update our computer. Sudo apt update to see if everything is still working just fine. As you can see, everything is working. And we can close our terminal. And we can go and open up Inkscape. You can see Inkscape is installed. And it is version 0.92.2. Thank you for watching. See you later. Goodbye.